So I'm stuck with just my camera, my phone. My phone camera. Zooming down the highway, I'm actually in the parking lot for Multnomah Falls. And so, since I've just got my silly little phone, you probably can't see it very well, but there's a waterfall up there, and the water's not even getting anywhere near close to the ground. Well, okay, right now it is. But the wind is blowing so hard through there, it's like grabbing this waterfall and kicking it straight out into the air. It's just falling down now. I don't even know if you can see it on this little screen. Oh, there it goes. See? Oh my gosh, that's so cool! It's really awesome. See, I have to show you all this road in front so I can get the right exposure because, check this out, if I lift it to show you the waterfall, everything goes dark. So I'm going to take it down. Better exposure. I guess it would be cool if I had been standing outside the car, because then I could turn around and show Multnomah Falls, but I do not think it's possible. Use my bumping while I try and look. Oh, maybe. I'm still inside my car. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, yeah. Wow. I have mega talent. Alright, enough of that.